So welcome to my channel. Welcome to Natural Canadian Girl. Today I'm going to be doing a braidless crochet hairstyle using hair I got from Freetress.com. Now I'll link all the information to the hair below, and of course you know I have a discount code, so first time users will get 10% off. Now first I must say this hair is super soft. The curls mimic a twist out. And so if you are looking for a twist out style, a protective style, this hair is perfect for that. I am going to be doing braidless because I'm not very good at doing cornrows. So I've sectioned my hair in 2 sections. I'm going to further section the front section into 4 because I want to show you 3 ways you can actually wear this style. So I'm going to be sectioning this part in 4 sections and then braid, well, braid each sections and just put everything in a bun in the back. There are a number of braidless crochet hair videos here on YouTube. I watched a few before I attempted this. So right now I'm just using my Up North Naturals oil. You know, it's a protective style, so you want to add moisture. So I'm using my Curl Ease lotion and my oil to just add some moisture to my hair before I tuck it away. So again, this hair, I love it. It did frizz a bit, but nothing too much. I just used the pair of scissors to clean up the fuzzy ends in the end. The video is pretty self-explanatory, so keep watching. Once again, all the information for this hair will be linked in the description bar, so you can feel free to check out Freetress.com. They have this Freetress hair as well as other crochet braids hairstyles here. So go ahead and check out their websites, and if you're a first time shopper, don't forget to use a discount code so you can get a discount, save some coins. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care, bye.
Get a wine on that. Oh, can I get it like that? Yeah, yeah. Yes, you can get it like that. Can I get it like that? Yeah, yeah. Yes, you can get it like that. Oh, can I get it like that? Yeah, yeah. Yes, you can get it like that. Can I get it like that? Yeah, yeah. Yes, you can get it like that. Yeah. So she loved me from the very first time. Let her come behind her and give her that sweet wine. She calling me for more. Oh, I say she want it on the bed and the floor. She say one more wine, one more wine, one more time, one more time. Give me one more wine, one more wine, one last time. Oh, oh, just a she number 4. She gotta get a wine on that. She pushing but a holding back. She gotta get a wine on that. She look good as a natural rock, yeah. She gotta get a wine on that. She whining like she on the attack. She gotta get a wine on that. One more time. One more, yeah. One last. Girl, you know you want more, boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One more time, yeah, yeah.
Call me anytime you want.